Next awardee, Mr. Mario B. De Los Reyes.
If we can really free the small man from the chain of poverty that has shackled his ancestors to the land they tilled for others. If we can locate the small man at the center of increasing opportunity for himself and his family. If we can produce enough and pay our workers enough so that their labor can assure them of a better quality of life. If we can provide the proper machinery of government so that one does not want of an efficient administration of justice, then we can remain firm in our hopes that we are holding a new society. Isang makasaysayang kaganapan at pagtitipon sa loob ng kaharian na pinangungunahan ni King RP Rodolfo Impal Palato. Kabilang ang kanyang mga tagasunod at kapanalig. Isang kaganapang dulot ay pag-asa para sa lahat. Pag-asa at gantimpala na makakamit dahil sa pagtsatsaga at pagtitiis. Narito silang ang pag-asa'y lumiliwanag sa kanilang mga mukha. Mga Hebreo, Kabanata 10, Talata 24 at 25. At tayo'y mga tinginan upang tayo'y mga udyok sa pag-iibigan at mabubuting gawa, na huwag nating pabayaan ang ating pagkakatipon na gaya ng ugali ng iba, kundi mangag-aralan sa isa't isa, at lalo na kung inyong namamalas na nalalapit na ang araw.
Halika kayo mga kapatid, at dito mag-uumpisa ang programa. Dahil sa masigasig at pagsusumikap ni Sir Chris, ay naisakatuparan ang lahat ng ito. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Sir.
So, what is the purpose of victims of 77 Morning Star? The 77 Morning Star Foundation Incorporated is a group of God-loving humanists, nationalists, as well as internationalists representing different tribes. An association in our country who have willingly united and banded themselves to fulfill a common goal, that is to achieve good life. As such, the foundation is not a government organization, non-profit, non-sectarian, which has been reactivated, reformed, and refocused with proper registration at the Securities and Exchange Commission with a redefined objective, which is straightened social, civic, and community-based organization to serve God, people, country, all the peoples of the world, and the entire universe. Through an effective interaction, cooperation, coordination, and interlinkage with multiplier effect, either as private individuals, groups, families, sectors, associations, or corporations, including government interagencies, we are focused to harness, enhance, unified cooperation for the success and implementation of the plan, design programs, projects, and activities purposely toward poverty alleviation, social reform agenda, indigenous property rights, and modernization and effective formulation of laws, rules and regulations, and basic policies that are vital for our country, our people, and varied natural resources development and sustained growth would hardly be realized unless proper reorientation is strengthened, information dissemination, and the conduct of flagship projects and programs that are the vital importance for every citizen to believe once more that we have God-given knowledge to conscientiously reach the 7,107 islands and islets of the country to bountiful life. Part of our aims, goals, and objectives are to bring every Filipino a single strong brotherhood with the divine government through open interaction with unified and diversified vision, perception, and mission like cultural revivals, values orientation, which are golden and ancient in our race. Research, training, and technology transfer and harnessing the basic golden ancient knowledge used by our ancestors with harmonious relationship with nature and close coordination with present national administration, plans, programs, and projects as positive solution to gigantic economic problem and troubled existence in our country today. Thank you. This certification is to award to Mr. Tabagat Pitanga for his loyal sincerity, love, and dedication to the 77 Morning Star Foundation. For your last of our organization. his assistant Vita as a title. Thank you for your time. Mr. Isaldi Di Dulo. Miss Jocelyn Kikahan. Thank you for your time and effort and knowledge. Pinilirap P. Ortos Martillo. Next awardee, Mr. Manny Videos.
Good morning. Concept of trust and loyalty. If you work for a man, morning star, it his name, work for him, speak well of him, and stand by the foundation and present morning star. Remember, the ones of loyalty is worth a pound of fairness. If you must crowd, condemn, the eternally fine for. Why? Resign your position. And when you are on the outside, damn to your hearts, content. But as long as you are part of Morning Star, do not condemn it. The first high wind that comes along will blow you away, and probably you will never know why.
Palito o dulugo? Next award, El Escoro Yu Chiquito. Normandy Makapagal. Mr. Julito Rimacla. Michelle Narciso. Next, Ija Cantura.